we are going to be using both the scale and the position properties. To access the scale and position properties, I'm going to drop down in my layers area to reveal the transform controls. Now, to keep this simple to start with, I'm just going to drop down the transform controls so that I can see all of the features that are currently available to me. We have anchor point, position, scale, rotation, and opacity. What I want to do first of all is just to move this image across the screen very slowly, as if we were panning. I need to decide where I want to start my animation. I'm actually going to move my image just to the edge on the left hand side. What I'm going to do over time is to get this image to pan to the left. I've moved the position to its initial start place. It's here that I can then use the position animation options. So what I'm going to do here is to actually click on the position settings and select the stopwatch. This will add in a keyframe at this moment in time. I can then move the playhead to a new location. So I'm going to pan somewhere across to about here, about 14 seconds. So I want the image to move to this point and then stay stationary at this point. I have moved the CTI to a new location. I'm then going to move the image. Now I have two options as to how I move the image. I can either drag it physically, or I can use the numerical information here which describes the X and Y position of my object. Now the first set of numbers are for your X values across the width of the composition. If you drag this to the left or right, you will see that your image will move. I'm going to drag this over to change the value. It will automatically add in a new keyframe where I've changed the position in time. I'm going to drag the CTI back and you'll see that it very slowly shows me how the animation is going to work. By pressing the spacebar, I can see the animation and you'll see it tracks very slowly, which is what I wanted.